In this example, we'll use the if, elif, and else statements to make decisions in Python. These are called conditional statements. Step 1. Take input from the user. First, I ask the user to type a number. The input function takes data from the keyboard, and I use integer function to convert it from text to an integer value. Remember, your input must be a digit string. Otherwise, you will have a value error, as we have explained and showed at our previous videos. Step 2. Explain the if statement. Here we're checking if the number is greater than 42. It means if this condition is true according to the number you will provide, then run the code below. If that condition is true, this message will be printed as greater than the meaning of life. Step 3. Explain the elif statement. Elif means else if. It only runs when the first condition is false and this new condition is true. The double equal signs mean is equal to. So if the number provided via input equals 42 exactly, we print the message of you found the meaning of life. Step 4. Explain the else statement. Else means in all other cases. If neither of the previous conditions are true, Python runs this block instead. So if the number provided via input is less than 42, we print the message of smaller than the meaning of life. So the logic is simple. If checks the first condition, elif checks another one, else runs when none of them are true. This is how Python decides what to do based on conditions. Do not forget, the colon tells Python that a new block of code is about to begin. In other words, it means now start running the code that belongs to this condition. Knowledge Club, the bridge to the future.